Alright, well, I was asked to make a quick follow-up video, and so I shall. Things have been great. I've used it for nothing too strenuous, just a few air tools, air gun, air nail gun I should say, and a few other things, and that's basically it. So it's very underdriven. Also added a big filter, or moisture filter. There's a ton of room back here, so just kind of slam that in there. Works great. No complaints. Has not put a foot wrong since I replaced the capacitors, put new piston in and whatnot. It probably has less than 5 hours on it, honestly. I don't need it a ton. It's totally overkill for my need, but it was cheap and easy to fix, so if I ever do need something more powerful, I got it. Anyways, not too exciting, which is good. Works perfect.